Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me today on the show. So let me tell you what's happening over here, down on the table. I'm sorry, I couldn't spit out seat by the table, by the chair. It's the DJI Mic 2. It's got issues. It's cutting in and out, lost control, and they say, send it back. We'll get you a new one. Things happen. It wasn't with my Traxxas Rustler VXL. It wasn't with me being in the area. It just seems to be the transmitter not working 100% par. I could live without a transmitter to the DJI. Everything's always close by, not a big deal. I can live without the receiver to my Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I have a Fuelame X5. It does a mighty fine job. I got a DJI mic lavalier. It does a mighty fine job being plugged in there and listening to the sound. So yeah, we don't need to have all the bells and whistles in life, do we? So while I return and wait for my exchange, I'm thinking about a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Just like that. I'm done. I'm out of here. And I'm going to get going on my next one. Oh yeah, see, just made it for the UPS truck driver to be here to pick it up. So let's get on going. Yeah, man, I tell you. Lights, camera, action, you heard those sirens? They were coming for that package to deliver it to DJI. Oh man, that was a red HRV if you saw that one go by. I'm not sad, I'm not happy, I'm not proud, I'm not, it is what it is, man. Things don't work out when you have issues with products. Don't keep him, get him back, wait for another one. Oh, I'm not going to be happy with the OP3 and the transmitter. I may have the same issues. Not at all. I just may not want to get an OP3 right away. I'm still waiting for Best Buy every single day. Hey, Fish, what's going to happen when you get on your bicycle and you ride and all that wind noise hits you in the face and nobody can hear a word you're saying? I'm just gonna let AI intelligence take over my video editing. I got the bob here going. Got some hickory going. I like to put it right on the fire. Right there. Ooh, baby. Gonna have some fish tonight. And some chicken tonight. Oh yeah. Get the prongs out. Let the bad boy smoke. I'll be back later. Oh wait, you want to go inside the barbecue? There you go. I'm sorry for the little bouncy. See you later. Oh man. Chicken's getting cooked. Time to turn it over. Move the fish a little. I'm going to take you out. You're probably hot. Let's get you out of here. You don't want to be in the flames? Look at the wood burning now. Try to flip you over. Oh yeah. Get the fish going on the grill. Oh, you want to get into the flames? Come on over. Look at the flames, man. go. We got the fish. Fish is done. I had spaces like this and they were dead spots. And I had a dead spot area that the connection gave. And we had a discussion at DJI. They said to pack it up and return it. Get another one. And that's what I'm gonna do. But what I did, I'm thinking, and I'm holding off because I got some things I want to do right. So I have now to wait for my Amazon points, rewards, gift card to go back. And I got Best Buy points, rewards, gift card there. Well, I'm still waiting for, the OP3 standalone to come in. And when I just watch a person's video, they put up their Best Buy page and it said back ordered. I'm using my Alluratech. Stop the video, fish. 1, 2. Oh man, that comes on pretty fast about every single time. And let me tell you, it's not a DJI Mic 2, but it has a small receiver that really doesn't weigh much. Even the transmitter put together, both of them weigh less than the DJI M2. 1, 2. Oh man, I'm doing pretty well right now, but maybe it'll start a little longer. Maybe the firmware update, maybe changing things around has fixed it. The only thing that the Alluratech does not have is a 3.5 millimeter jack port. Now, when I say 1, 2, and the mic switches over, you can hear the difference in the sound quality. Can you? I don't think I can, listening with the DJI mic speaker. So anyway, I have said about the OP3 standalone at Best Buy, not available while the other one was back ordered. And if I want to get one, I can't get it at Best Buy. So my Amazon gift points are back in. They're going to take time to get there now. And I got time to figure out what to do with that Best Buy gift card. If somebody wants to purchase that card from me, or I could take it out of Best Buy, bring it into Amazon, that's what I'm going to do. And this way I can say, bye-bye, Best Buy. I waited too long. Nobody wants to buy a creator's bundle at that price right now. But that also does get to be not available. I hardly ever get to see it saying back ordered. I do a lot of thinking. I really do. Wait a second. Why am I in the orange zone? Fish, can you swap down to a lower zone? You're on -4, this bad boy. So let me see if I can hit one of the buttons to do that. Hey, is this a little bit better? Am I better? Test 1, test 2. Hey, is this a little bit better? Test 1, test 2. I can't remember what's what. There we go. Is this a little better? 1, 2, 1, 2. Number 2, is this a little bit better? 1, 2, 1, 2. I think I'll leave it on number 2. I think number 2 goes a little lower. And I think they, I don't know. I just don't get things at times. I brought the mic down to number 3. And I have to go back into the camera to see what my settings are again. Maybe they changed with every single mic you put on. No, and that was a problem when I had the DJI M2 on. Things weren't, working out quite well. I was over here holding the microphone and you could definitely see it just cut right out. I show it all. I do it all. And I share it all. Oh my God, man. You know why my sound was ruined? Because It kind of remembers other microphones. It was on +6. So I'm not sure what's happening. And what I think I may do is leave the other two settings that were on a -4 dB with the DJM2, which is what I'm calling it. And yeah, let me tell you, now I sound a lot better. I'm not overblown. And I have to blame DJI for that. Thanks, DJI, because you would have heard that garbage truck so loud overblowing my video. The only thing I don't have on this mic is a wind muff. It's not the end of the world, Fish. Speaking about wind muffs, I got a package and I'm going to be mailing it back because it's not an official DJI wind muff. And why would you want to get an aftermarket wind muff when the DJI wind muff is made of metal? I showed you that little trick of the magnet lifting up the wind muff. There's no trick to it at all. And that wind muff's got metal in it. And that's what you want to use, not some aftermarket ones that are plastic and flimsy that doesn't fit right. Right now, I thought maybe I was going to put a hole through it so I could slide my thing into the thing and hold it. I said, I have to remove the jack port plug and I got to cut the fur. Nah, you know what? I'll pass on that. I returned everything, so I might as well get my money back on that too. You don't like hearing getting money back, don't you? Uh, People like to be spoon fed. I'm getting on out of here. The Lord-Tech does a good job. It lasts about 30 minutes maximum. And if I have to, I'll go look for another microphone that's USB-C port. Plug it in. And the thing is, DJI mic 2 don't give you a little charging case like so. Imagine if they did give you a little charging case like this. This is not bad at all. Make one, DJI. Make one. They really do good for everybody out there because they want to get two of those transmitters, one they could use and one they have in the charging case, and they could swap out, right? It's not that complicated. That may be complicated to me, and I'm not ready for one. Not at all. I have to update my fuse panel, and it means I got to get a cable, stick it outside. And winter, don't get a car with EV in winter. To me, that's common sense. Well, I like this car. I wonder what kind of car that is. That's a Kia. That's a new one. That's nice. Cars are changing again. Oh yeah, but they're much money. They're like a house. You can buy a house rather than a car, right? Hey, Fish, do what's right for you. We hear you. Well, you know, I had my Traxxas out. I had a good run with it. Man, I put that new VXL 3S in there. Wow, that thing's got power now. So I know the one I had, it was going out. And they do need to be changed. They do wear out and they do give. And yeah, now I know. So I should be good for another 8 years. And I looked at the Ultimate. Man, that bad boy's expensive. I don't know if I could afford one of those. But hey, I could get a cover and say, hey, I got an Ultimate. Because it's just about the same RC truck. And people are saying, oh man, I'm breaking that too. And it's being broken in. And it's, same as the VXL and the two-wheel. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Well, I had a fun talk, a long talk, a shared talk, and I did a lot of things. I showed you a return. I showed you a barbecue. I talked about a different mic, and I talked to you about the RC hobby. So I covered everything up in one video. Have a joyful day,
Spring is sprung. It's not spring yet, fish. Oh, just getting you ready. Have a great day.